What do you say when you meet someone? Hello or goodbye. Hello. What do you say when you leave? See you or stay here. See you. What does stand up mean? To sit or to rise? To rise. What does sit down mean? To rest or to leave? To rest. What should you do to hear better? Listen or talk? Listen. How do you greet someone in the morning? Good night or good morning? Good morning. What phrase do you use to say goodbye on the phone? Bye or see you later? See you later. What do you say to get someone's attention? Listen or ignore? Listen. When do you say goodbye? When arriving or when leaving? When leaving. What do you say when you answer the phone? Hello or goodbye? Hello. What should you do in class? Stand up or sit down? Sit down. What do you say when you want to leave a conversation? Excuse me or thank you? Excuse me. What do you say to someone when you see them after a long time? Goodbye or long time no see? Long time no see.
What do you say to a friend at the end of a meeting? Take care or listen carefully. Take care. How do you tell someone to pay attention? Listen or talk? Listen. When do you use goodbye? When entering or when leaving? When leaving? What do you say when you want to join a conversation? May I join? Goodbye. May I join? What phrase is used to ask someone to listen? Can you hear me or goodbye? Can you hear me? What should you do when the teacher speaks? Sit down or stand up? Sit down. What do you say when you arrive? Hello or bye? Hello.